What up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to install some cool lights. I got some new 3-inch pod lights from NOVSIGHT. They're the Halo, pretty rad. I think they look awesome. I'm really excited about these. I'm going to replace, I got some cheapy lights from Amazon. So these are just going to be so much better. I'm so pumped about this. So let's take a look. I think I don't know, we'll see. But let's take a look, see what's in the box. Box is really cool. My son was a big gamer and he played a lot of Halo, so this definitely reminds me of that. Some stickers, the hardware. Oh, I think these are the lenses that go on top of it. So these are the lights. So it looks like you could take this off. Well, it looks like you'd have to take the orange off and then you could put these on. So these are like lens covers in case it's illegal where you are to have these lights just on. It's not for me. So chances are I will take off. I'll probably just leave these off. And who knows, I may even paint these red. These might look kind of cool red. So I'm gonna hook up the red and black to my ball switch. And I'm not gonna worry about these because these are sync. So if I wanted to sync them with my headlights, that's what these are for. And I'm not gonna do that because I use these for off-roading. So. Finished installing. They look pretty good. I need to tighten up the sides, but I'm really happy with them. I'll tighten those up. Just show you what I did. I have a vol switch, so I did the power to there, negative to here, and then those other wires, the blue, green, and yellow, I didn't do anything with them. I just cut them up, taped them off, put them off to the side. Not going to use those. Put the orange lens covers on for now. I think they look pretty good. I did, if you know me, I painted the black ones. So we'll see how those come out, but I'll take a picture of them. And you can see accessories. So they're not on. I have this other switch that I still have to mount. I'll probably mount it here. So that's on. You can see they're pretty bright. And then there's different modes. So if you hit it again, they're off. So that's the power. And then the left light is different modes. So here, if I take this off, you can see the left one's different modes. So that's just all white. A little bit of halo in there. White, halo. And that's just the halo. You could go just with the orange. That's pretty rad. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. NOVSIGHT. It's really cool. I'm happy with it. So thanks. Check it out.